Right then. This one's called St. Juthware and St. Mary. Look at that. It's a lovely little place called Halstock. And it's right out in the sticks. Well, it's near Yeovil, but near Bingham Dam. Look at that lovely holly tree bush. It's gorgeous. Look at them. I don't know if you can see them right up the top there. The gargoyles. Look at that, they're beautiful. Cool. Right, nice stony building. Right then. Harrow Way peak inside. It's quite dark in there. So let's go on right then. Here we are inside the little porch. So I can see this. Get nice and steady. I'll have to turn the light on because it's quite dark in here. So, right then. Well, that's come and gone, that one. Or nearly come and gone. Right then, let's just go inside. It's, it doesn't look dark, but oh, it's quite dark. Look at that, the door on the big thick, big iron latch. And then like a big door, it says it. Massive. Right then, let's have a wee look. Right then. So we look inside. And everybody says the front. The front looks lovely. Small one. Very plain. But nice. So the lid shut down. Yep, it's quite heavy. But nice little columns over here in the archways. Beautiful. Pools. There's a nice window up here. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. It's like 3D. The windows. Very cool. Lovely. And then we got up to the belfry up yonder. And the string pulls. And that would be up into the bells itself. Just don't know where it's a bit messy. Right, looks better. Photograph of the church way back when. Got a kitchen area here. And we got the organ over yonder. Over here. Big fat pipe affair. Wow. Oh, you got a little electric one here as well. Electric organ here. Cool. Right. Got some flowers in the window. Over a wee bit. Right, look at the memorial. Right, look at the memorial for the war dead. First World War and Second World War. I'm trying to get my ugly face out of it. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that. Got it right up close. You can see. Oh, what's this big one? I don't think I can read that. I'll go nice and slowly. Yeah. That's cool. There's the pulpit. Front of the pulpit. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see the window here. Right, let's go up the stairs. See what the vicar can see. Oh, it's a stone one, this one. Whoop. There we go, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try to see what the vicar can see. See his congregation down here. That's beautiful. But look at that ceiling. All them beams. Looks really nice. Right then. The lectern. Right, the altar area. What's that one over there? It's the says Halstock. It's very dark in the altar area. In the altar area. Oh, the altar itself is beautiful. It's like a hamstone built altar. Beautiful. That over there. Not beautiful. Right. That over here. Stations of the Cross. That is, I think. There's a nice looking window, stained glass window. Beautiful.